all, I would like to congratulate Sir for completing 19 years of Kalakriti School of Arts. 19 years is itself a long enough time to explain how much effort it has taken to build the talent among the students. I've been the part of Kalakriti School of Arts since my childhood, and this plays a very important part in my life. I never imagined myself performing in public platforms, but the way Sir encourages and inspires us is just amazing. I cannot put into words how proud I feel to be the part of this institution. This institution has not only enhanced my art skills but also helped me realize my hidden potentials. I have performed in so many workshops, and now I'm so confident that I can perform in any platform anywhere. I would like to thank Sir for always being there and helping us and guiding us. Thank you.
हेलो सर, हमारे कलाकृति स्कूल ऑफ आर्ट्स के पूरे 19 ईयर्स हो चुके हैं, जिस अवसर पे हम बहुत खुश हैं और हमें गर्व है कि हम इस कलाकृति स्कूल ऑफ आर्ट्स के छात्र हैं और हमें इस स्कूल में बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है। बहुत कुछ एक्स्ट्रा एक्टिविटीज़ होते हैं जिससे हमें बहुत फ़ायदा होता है और हम इस एक्टिविटीज़ में खुलकर भाग लेते हैं। और हमारे सर श्री धनंजय सर, वो हमें बहुत कुछ सिखाते हैं पेंटिंग से रिलेटेड। हमें एक्स्ट्रा एक्टिविटीज़ भी बहुत करते हैं, हमें बड़े बड़े एग्जीबिशंस में ले जाते हैं, हमें बहुत बड़े बड़े स्टेजेस पे हमें स्पीड पेंटिंग्स के अवसर देते हैं। हमें बहुत खुशी होती है, सर हमारा बहुत साथ देते हैं और हम लोग भी सर के साथ रहेंगे हमेशा। हम यही कहना चाहूँगा मैं लास्ट में कि हमें इस कलाकृति स्कूल ऑफ आर्ट्स में बहुत मज़ा आता है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है और आज 19 साल हो चुके हैं इससे, हम बहुत खुश हैं। थैंक यू सो मच सर।
Hello sir, I want to congratulate you for completing 19 years of Kalakriti School of Art. Your life journey is enough to inspire us that how to take a meaningful risk in our life. And you are the best mentor I have ever known. And I am very grateful to be your student. Thank you for always inspiring and motivating us. Kalakriti will always remain best part of my life. And thank you for everything.
Congratulations Kalakriti School of Arts for completing it 19 years. I joined the school when I was in class 1. From the very beginning I learned how to use pencils, and then I used to draw with crayons, and now I can make realistic portraits. This is all because of Sir, who motivates us and inspires us. This school gives you an opportunity to be an independent artist. All I can say is this is the best art school in India. I'm really proud to be a Kalakritian. Thank you.
Hello sir, congratulations you and Kalakriti for completing 19 years. I hope this journey continues forever. Thank you for being so wonderful teacher. You gave all of us such a beautiful environment where we got exposure. Thank you for always motivating us. These 3 years, Kalakriti gave me one of my best moments of my life, which I can cherish forever, and looking forward to making more memories with my team, with you, with Kalakriti. Thank you so much, sir.
Namaste Dhananjay sir, wishing you a happy and grand success of 19 years of Kalakriti School of Arts. It's the first art school in Jharkhand till now. Kalakriti School of Arts. Kalakriti School of Arts play a vital role in my life. Whatever I am at this stage because of Kalakriti School of Arts. It also helped me to make all-rounder also. Because here not only teach art but also the so many co-curricular activities for the students and parents to explore themselves. It gives a platform to all the students to explore themselves and support. And parents also explore themselves to our hidden talent of them. This all credit goes to behind this one man, that is Dhananjay sir. Because of his dedication and passionate through the passion. And you inspire me most, sir, because you are also done so many things for the students, families, friends, and all over there. And also thank you to Rajni ma'am. You are also play a vital role for the Kalakriti School of Arts. Once again, thank you, sir and ma'am. Wishing you a happy 19 years of Kalakriti School of Arts. Thank you.
कंग्रेचुलेशन सर, आज कलाकृति 19 ईयर कंप्लीट कर चुका है सर, और ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ सर आपके हार्डवर्क की वजह से सर। सर आपने मुझे बहुत गाइड किया है सर, उसके लिए सर बहुत सारा थैंक यू सर। आज मैं जो कुछ भी बना पा रही हूँ सिर्फ और सिर्फ सर आपकी वजह से ही बना पा रही हूँ। सो थैंक यू सर। थैंक यू फॉर गाइडिंग अस सर। थैंक यू सर, एंड अगेन सर कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस।
Hello guys, wishing you a very happy 19th anniversary of our Kalakriti. Kalakriti is the platform by which I will make my dreams come true. I have joined Kalakriti before 2 years ago and I have learned a lot from this institution. And this all is happening because of our sir, Mr. Dhananjay Kumar, who is supporting us and give us a platform to prove ourselves what we are. He teaches very nicely and being friendly with us. I am very lucky to have a part of this institution. Thank you.
Kalakriti has completed its 19 years and I congratulate Sir, as I have joined Kalakriti since it was in its initial stage. And the best thing I like about Kalakriti is being united. And Sir has given us many opportunities to explore and to enhance our artworks. I am very thankful to Kalakriti and also to Sir by giving us such opportunities that we can't even think of. Thank you.
मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि शुरू से लेकर अभी तक मेरा जो सफ़र रहा है कलाकृति स्कूल ऑफ आर्ट्स में, मैंने वहाँ पे बहुत सारा क्रिएटिव आइडियाज़ और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ उस कलाकृति स्कूल में मैंने सीखा है। और आपने हम बच्चों को अभी तक एक गार्जियन की तरह ट्रेंड किए हैं। थैंक यू सो मच सर, एंड थैंक यू सो मच मैम, एंड थैंक यू सो मच कलाकृति।